Hey, it's Dr. Kurt. It's your 8-figure government contracting coach. As you know, tonight we have our regularly scheduled Zoom, but I have a special treat for you all tonight. One of my friends in the proposal space is going to be joining us. Now, I'm not going to give it away and tell you who it is, but I am going to read her bio briefly. Our guest tonight is an APMP. Now, you say, what is the APMP? She is a proposal management professional, not a project management professional. She is a proposal management professional. In the 18 years, she supported more than 100 proposals on various subject matters that include architecture and engineering, cloud services, communications, cyber, development, test and evaluation, enterprise network systems, financial management, grant management, help desk, information assurance, information security, information technology, knowledge management, intelligence, SIGINT, surveillance reconnaissance, geospatial training, IT acquisition, support services, medical support services, IT service desk, legacy system modernization, logistics services, manufacturing and assembly, medical IT support services, Medicare, Medicaid management support, operations and maintenance, performance analysis, police and military training, program management, telecommunications, records management, range operations and logistics, security training, software development, system and software design and engineering, training, transportation, engineering support services, video teleconferencing, and Vista legacy system support and IT services. Now, this is what helped set her apart. She helps small companies build service delivery models and package their solutions to improve their ability to produce proposals more efficiently. And that is our guest speaker for tonight. You do not want to miss this. This is probably a once in a lifetime opportunity for you to get this type of support, this type of engagement at no additional cost. You want to clear your schedule this evening and make sure, if you're a current 8-figure government contracting student, your face wants to be in the place. We're going to do what we always do, which is give you more value than what you paid for. Hey, I want you to go ahead and finish your day, and I want to make sure that you're on the Zoom tonight at 7 p.m. because this is going to be a game-changing session. I'm going to see you at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.